tenemos como un par de personas que están enfermos de cáncer, no pueden subir las escaleras y tenemos que ayudarles entre nosotros para que suban porque los huesos los tienen hecho polvo y necesitamos ayudarles porque son como nuestros padres. La última lluvia que cayó teníamos cascadas dentro del Queen's Hotel, una cosa exagerada. Y nada, hemos llamado, hemos hablado con ellos, ni caso. Entonces nos hemos visto obligados a hacer esto, porque es que si no nos hacen caso, ¿a quién vamos a acudir? Vamos a ver, a lo mejor el chef minister no sabe nada, entre comillas, o no le dicen nada, pues vamos a trasladar nuestra voz a su puerta, a ver si nos hace caso esta vez. Y que sepan que también somos digamos, una fuerza. No somos solos, aunque somos unos cuantos viejitos, somos 3.600 marroquíes aquí y tenemos nuestra voz a la hora de los votos, de votar y elegir qué partido, que tienen que empezar a darse cuenta de ahora para adelante de que somos alguien, no somos esclavos, ni somos lo que nos hacen sentir, que somos ciudadanos de la 10ª categoría, ni siquiera la tercera, la 10ª, o sea, somos los últimos.
Basically, in Gibraltar, we have a system which is, in its nature, is apartheid. We've had a system of Gibraltarians of Moroccan origin who came to Gibraltar more than half a century ago and have no rights. They've been subsidizing the education system for my children. They've been subsidizing the health service for my children. And after more than half a century, they have no right. They've lived in overcrowded rooms, 50, 60 and 70 of them in bunk beds in casemates. They were shifted to Buena Vista. Now they're at the Queen's Hotel. And we are supposed to be a community of diversity, which we treat everybody the same and very respectful. But this is not the way we are treating Gibraltarians of Moroccan origins. This is what's happening here. Many of these people, as I've said before, more than half a century. They came in Gib when Franco closed the border, and we are not treating them with the dignity and respect that they deserve.
Today's protest was organised by Unite and supported by Action for Housing. We asked Henry Bina what he wants to see happen next for the residents of the hostel.
Well, at least what the minister said some time back, that imminently, they were going to carry out the repairs needed. I mean, that is what it is just now urgently. Then long term, what they need to do is to find a proper accommodation where they can live in a more decent sort of way. But just now, what we need, or what they need, is to fix everything which needs to be fixed. The boilers, the lift, the question of water ingress, the collection of rubbish, all those things.